My name is Max, and I'm majoring in social system science through Harpur College's individualized major program. I went to Harpur Edge's marketing crash course. Ryan Yarrosh, Binghamton's director of marketing, taught this crash course. So in this crash course, I learned the importance of having a consistent brand and also how to cater those to different types of social media platforms. And we went through 2 or 3 examples of how local Binghamton organizations were marketing their brands, and we used what we learned to actually give them like real-time advice. So we didn't just learn things like through a textbook, we learned it and then we applied it right away. Right now I work as a marketing associate, so I definitely am applying it. I would totally recommend it. I think I got a lot from it. So it's really something anyone in Harpur College, grad or undergrad, can take advantage of. And for just a 3-hour time commitment and it being totally free, I really think it's worth it. So you sign up on Be Engaged, and I know Harpur Edge sends emails pretty frequently, so whenever you see that in an email or on our Instagram, you can just go there and sign up. But space is limited, so definitely act fast.